All right, so I went on a hiking day today, and I was going down a path to the river, and it was really clayey or muddy, and I pretty much had to save myself from falling down. I got caught in the clay. My hands were covered in it. My boots are covered in it, and I think this is why they always tell you to make sure you go hiking with somebody, because I could have got stuck down there. And my phone was in my hand, but I put my phone down so I didn't lose my phone. But that was an experience.